talking about article writing. Article writing is a topic of the writing section. Now, we know that English language is divided into various sections. English has a subject. Like we can say one part is the comprehension part, then you have the literature part, then the grammar part, and then the writing part. So today we will be taking a topic out of writing section, and that topic is article writing. Now, article writing is just a piece of information which is meant for audience. Now that audience can be, that article can be meant for just the school, it can be meant for a city, a state, for the entire country as well. So article writing, it is a piece of information. How can we explain it? That it is a piece of information meant for audience. Basically, we write an article so that we can publish that articles either in newspapers or magazines or any other type of journal, so that large number of people can view that article and understand the motto of writing that article. Now, there are different purposes for writing an article. Maybe we want to share our views with something, with someone, or maybe we want to talk something very deliberately about a particular topic, so that there can be some change, there can be some revolution which can be brought up in the world. Like there are different topics. Suppose I consider global warming as my topic for article writing. So why do I have to write an article on global warming? Is because I want more people to be aware about what is global warming, what are the causes of global warming, or what effects global warming is putting on our earth. So that is the main purpose of writing an article, so that you can inform other people about that particular topic or about the causes of what is happening through different events. So here we publish it. We can publish the articles in newspapers, magazines, or other journals. Now, next we will be talking about the audience. Now, the audience can be any. Audience can be students. Now, we can also, suppose you have your school magazine, right? Your school publishes a magazine every year. So, even for that magazine, we require articles. So, now that article will be related to the school. Like, if you want to bring some kind of change in the school, or you want to inform that your school has been established since whichever year, and then what all achievements your school is having. So all that, now that article will be meant just for the students, right? So according to different topics, that article has its own audience. So next, audience is required for the article. We have to focus on the audience. And why are we writing article for the audience? So that to inform about whatever topic or whatever we want to inform, or to convince the audience. Like suppose I say that do not make use of polybags, do not make use of plastic. So here again I'm convincing my audience that instead of using polybags, it's better that we should use cloth bags or paper bags. So now this is not the information, this is that I am convincing my people, I'm convincing my friends to not use plastics. So we can either inform, we can either convince, or some articles are just for the entertainment purpose. Nothing else but just the entertainment purpose. Now, while writing an article, there are some points to remember. So now let us consider those points to remember. Those points to remember are that whenever we are writing an article, first thing is choose relevant heading, or I can say title. Now my title will be the best eye catcher for the audience. If my title is very catchy, then my audience will definitely have a look at my article. But if my title is not that nice, or it is just a simple title, then maybe it will not have that much impact. So my title should be very relevant. It should be relevant to the topic that I am choosing for writing the article. So this is the first point. Now the title can have, ideal title, it can have 5 to 6 words. But it is not important. We can just have one word as my title, or a phrase as my title, or even a sentence, right? So that depends according to my topic, or according to my choice of getting a nice title. So first point to remember is to have a relevant topic title. Second point is to an ideal article has 5 to 6 paragraphs, and as letter writing, even here each paragraph should contain its own identity. For example, like for every new point, or every new conclusion, or every new criticism, we should have a new paragraph. But that paragraph should obviously contain more than 2 to 3 sentences. It's not like you just write 2 sentences and then move to the next paragraph. No, at least my paragraph should contain 3 to 4 sentences, and then you should move to the next paragraph. The third point to remember is that make sure that whatever you are writing is quite relevant, right? It suits the audience. So that is more important, that while writing the article, we should make sure that we use correct vocabulary, correct vocab, proper use of phrases, catchy lines. Now most people lose marks in article writing just because their English is not that strong, their vocabulary is not that strong. So like suppose I say that she is busy, right? But I can also say she is busy in some other words by molding them so that it becomes more attractive, right? It becomes more convenient for the audience to understand. That should not be the main motive. My article should have good vocabulary. I should use good vocab so that my article looks more classy, right? It should look like some expert is writing, right? It should not be like 4th, 5th class student is writing my article. No, it should look like some educated person who has some expertise in English. That person is writing an article. So make sure that we make use of correct vocabulary. This part will be nice only when you read more novels, when you read more newspapers, so that you can get to know about more words. The more words we get to know, the more meaning we get to know about those words, stronger will be our vocab. So focus on this part as well. So these are some points to remember. In the body, here ideal article has 5 to 6 paragraphs. Here I have discussed about my body. So now let us understand the format of article writing. So now let us understand the format of article writing. My article writing should first contain title, my article writing should first contain title, That title can consist 5 to 6 words. It can also consist just a single word, and this title should be in the center. Suppose this is my entire page, my title will be in the center. That title should be very catchy, right? With lot of spice and with lot of masala, as we say. So it should be very catchy with good use of words. Next is that just below your title, you can write your name over here, which is referred to byline. Byline, or also it can be the name of the person who is writing the article. Then over here you have to leave a line, and then you have to begin with your introduction. That will be considered as my paragraph number 1, where I will begin with the introduction to my topic. Now always remember that once you are given a topic to write an article on, make sure that you just do not just start writing the article. Give yourself 4 to 5 minutes, brainstorm and think about all the important points regarding that topic. Think about how you can start with the introduction, how you can come to the second paragraph by giving various aspects of the topic, like it can be your demerits, merits, or the cause or the effect, or how you can overcome that. So those things, first you can make points that what can you conclude, what can you include in the paragraph, because once you make points you will get to know. Now suppose you just in the start begin with the effects, right? But then you realize that, oh, before effects I should mention cause. Now again you have to write the article again. So to avoid such kind of mistakes, first it is considered that you wait for 4-5 minutes, think about how you can write the article, and then begin writing the article. So here first is your introduction, where you will introduce your topic, you will write the various aspects of the topic, and next your paragraph number 2. Paragraph number 2 should include various aspects of the topic. In this introduction, you will not give your introduction, you will just give the introduction of the topic. You will not say that my name is so and so, here I am going to write an article. No, your name is not included over here. This is just like a paragraph writing, but here it's not more paragraph. Here we will be talking more about facts. So here with the introduction you can also begin with facts, or you can begin with some kind of phrase, right? You can begin with fact, you can begin with phrase, or any other catchy line. That all depends upon your creativity, how creative you want your article to be. Next is paragraph number 2, various aspects of topic. Various aspects of topic can include cause, it can include effect, it can include merits, demerits, right? Cause, effects, merit, demerits, all these can be your paragraph number 2. Your paragraph number 3 can be your winding. Winding up over here means that here you can show some kind of criticism, or you can show some kind of concern, or you can show like you're criticizing something, you're concerned about something, or spreading more awareness about it. It is not necessary to put in all the points, just put the points as required. Next, paragraph number 4 can be your conclusion. Paragraph number 4 can be your conclusion in the fact that you can either make a request or appeal or give some kind of suggestions. Either you can make a request or give some kind of suggestions or anything through which you can get some kind of conclusion, right? And this is the main format of your article writing. Now, if there are two formats, first is writing the title and below that you can write your name. If the name is not written over here, second option is that write your name over here in the end. So either this or this. Any of the two formats are correct, right? So now let us understand this concept through example. So now let us understand article writing through example. That example is been provided in the contents that is mentioned in the article writing section. So you can go and visit this example over there. I'm just giving you a brief about it in this video. Now that example is about using polybags. So that example over there says that though the plastic bags are very useful to us in not just one way but many other ways as well, but their excessive use is causing harm to environment, it is causing a lot of problems. So now you have to write an article in support of not using the polybags, and instead you can make use of other biodegradable materials such as jute, paper or just a cloth bag. So this is the main theme of your article writing, and accordingly you have to write an article. So now for this we have to begin with writing an appropriate title. Now that title can be many. Now suppose I am talking about title. That title can be Say No to Plastic. Now this is a title which most other students will write because this is such a common title. But now out of all those students, if you want to be the one who will outshine the others, then again you have to use your creativity. Now we can also say like do something drastic. Say no to plastic. Now say no to plastic is the same, but do something drastic when you add to it will automatically be an eye catcher, right? Do something drastic, say no to plastic. Or another thing can be if you can't reuse it, refuse it. Means that if you cannot reuse the plastic again, then it's better to avoid using the plastic, because we know that plastic is non-reusable. Even if you have to recycle plastic, it releases a lot of toxic chemicals which again causes harm to our environment. So that is again not an appropriate idea of using plastic. So now this can be your title. Again I said that after writing the title you have to mention your name. Now suppose I say Ananya Arora, right? Now I write a title and I say Ananya Arora, means that this is written by Ananya Arora. And now I begin with my introduction, right? The first part is my introduction. Now I will not write introduction in my article writing, this is just for explanation. Now here I can begin with like plastic is considered very useful these days to all the people living here, but there are various harms of using plastic, or I can first write the benefits of plastic. What are the benefits of using plastic? That it can hold lot of weight, then less costly, easily available, easy to use, right? These can be my benefits of plastic. But now we will start writing the demerits of plastic. And what are basically the demerits of plastic or demerits of using the poly bags? The demerit of using poly bag is that we throw it here and there. We throw it in parks, we throw it in the open roads, in gardens, instead of throwing them in the dustbin, due to which it chokes the sewage system. When it chokes the sewage system, it causes floods, right? It is also leading to pollution in water bodies. So it is polluting my water bodies. Again, when we throw these poly bags carelessly, then it harms the animals. The animals get sick, or some animals even die. Even when you throw these poly bags into rivers, then the sea animals are also dying due to swallowing of that poly bag, and therefore it leads to choking their respiratory system, ultimately causing them death, right? So this can be your demerits. Then even this can be your paragraph number 2. Your paragraph number 3 can be some kind of suggestions that you give to person, and paragraph number 4 can be your appeal to stop using poly bags. So in this way we can write our article, and that article can be of any topic. So to know more about and to understand more about this particular topic, you can visit the content section of article writing, where entirely this topic of article writing is explained.